In July 2023, a mother of Mansa released her 14-year-old daughter to work for a couple in Lusaka as a maid. Barely 2 months later, she found herself traveling to Lusaka to pick up her daughter Janet Mpundu's dead body. Mpundu's employers Majory Chanda and her husband Smart Mumba, who reported the matter to police as they attempted to seek a brought-in-dead BID certificate, were arrested and charged for their maid's murder, for which they stood trial. During trial in the High Court, the state called 5 witnesses, who included the deceased mother, uncle, and a neighbor who heard Mpundu's screams the night before she died. Other witnesses were a forensic pathologist and the couple's arresting officer. In their testimonies, the deceased mother, Constance Mwelwa, and her uncle, Ronald Kapalaula, testified before Judge Vincent Siloka that during the deceased stay with the couple, they received complaints that their daughter was fond of eating the twins' porridge and that she had become naughty. Upon being found with a case to answer, the couple, who gave evidence on oath, denied causing harm to the deceased. Chanda, in her testimony, said she intended to care for the deceased like her own and not to harm her. Judge Siloka has found the 2 guilty and convicted them of 1 count of murder. The court said it was satisfied that the state had proved its case against the 2 beyond reasonable doubt. He said it was further established that the couple had malice aforethought when they attempted to tamper with the crime scene. He questioned why the 2 decided to transport the dead body in their private vehicle when it's the duty of the police to pick up the body. The court further wondered why the 2 did not consider informing their neighbors about Mpundu's death. In mitigation, the accused, through their lawyers, asked the court for leniency and for a sentence lesser than custodial, adding that they are parents to 3 children. They said the 2, being medical personnel, would contribute better to society if not incarcerated. The court has, however, handed the convicts a life imprisonment sentence, stating that, though painful, Mpundu's death could have been avoided. He said both the deceased mother and the couple should have weighed other options. Judge Siloka has since pleaded with parents to desist from entrusting their children to total strangers. He said the couple should have also exercised patience with the deceased, who was just adapting to a life in the city.